The medium-sized cargo ship moored along Shanghai's Huangpu River, painted with eye-catching slogans, is it merely an ordinary container vessel, or a naval warship concealing astonishing firepower? Recently, as the vessel named Zhongda 79 returned to the Hudong-Zhonghua Shipyard dock after completing a series of sea trials, the clearly visible close-in weapon systems, rotating phased array radars, and massive missile vertical launch module assemblies on its deck have once again drawn the attention of global military observers. What it demonstrates is no longer merely the integration of new weaponry onto a vessel, but the validation of a complete combat system transforming a civilian cargo ship into a distributed firepower node. The core philosophy behind it, low cost, rapid mobilization, and high modularity, is quietly knocking on the door of future naval warfare evolution. Based on fundamental parameters, the Zhongda 79 does indeed align with the characteristics of a standard feeder container ship, with an overall length of approximately 97 meters, a beam of about 16 meters, and a full load displacement estimated between 3,000 and 5,000 tons. Its size is comparable to that of a light frigate. Its hull form, superstructure, and deck layout are indistinguishable from ordinary cargo ships plying the Yangtze River estuary and coastal ports. Yet it is precisely this unassuming exterior that forms the foundation of its most ingenious camouflage and strategic surprise. The truly revolutionary transformation occurs above the main deck, where several specially designed and reinforced modules, matching standard container dimensions, are neatly secured. These modules are not for cargo but integrate complete combat units, ranging from sensors and command systems to lethal weaponry. The most conspicuous and core striking force lies in the multiple HT-1 850mm hot, cold dual-purpose vertical launch system modules positioned in the midship and aft sections. These launchers are individually integrated within reinforced 40-foot container housings, connected via dedicated interfaces beneath the deck to the ship's power plant and combat information center. Based on observations and module dimensions, the total launch capacity may reach 60 units. This figure carries profound tactical significance. It indicates that the firepower this converted cargo ship can project in a single salvo surpasses that of most mainstream European frigates currently in service, and even approaches the fire density of early model Arleigh Burke-class destroyers in the U.S. Navy. The HT-1 VLS system is renowned for its exceptional versatility, capable of launching the HQ-9B long-range air defense missile, the YJ-18 subsonic, supersonic anti-ship missile, and even the CJ-10 land attack cruise missile. This endows the Zhongda 79 with theoretical capabilities spanning regional air defense, anti-ship warfare, and long-range precision land strikes. Its operational roles extend from fleet escort to shore bombardment, with tactical flexibility far exceeding what its outward appearance might suggest. Such formidable offensive capabilities require corresponding eyes and shields for protection. Atop the bridge, a mast module housing, a large rotatable active phased array radar is clearly visible. This radar serves as the sensing core of the entire weapons system, providing long-range air, sea search, multi-target tracking, and missile guidance capabilities. At the most prominent position on the bow, two Type 1130 close-in weapon systems form the final hard-kill defense line. Hailed as the world's most powerful close-in weapon system, this 11-barrel cannon achieves a firing rate exceeding 10,000 rounds per minute. Coupled with advanced tracking radar, it can effectively intercept supersonic anti-ship missiles at extremely close range. Additionally, the deck houses active, passive electronic countermeasure antenna pods, and multi-purpose rocket launchers, collectively weaving a three-dimensional defense network spanning soft-kill to hard-kill capabilities. Notably, all critical systems, including vertical launch modules, radar masts, and close-in weapons systems, employ standardized container interfaces and modular power data connections. This enables rapid transformation from merchant vessel to arsenal ship within dozens of hours at ports equipped with heavy cranes. These combat modules can be loaded, installed, and undergo basic commissioning aboard suitable cargo ships. The strategic value of the Zhongda 79 class lies far beyond merely building one or two auxiliary vessels with surprise attack capabilities. It validates a comprehensive new era maritime power development pathway rooted in the concepts of systematic military-civilian integration and distributed maritime operations. During peacetime, large quantities of pre-engineered and tested weapon container modules can be stored in warehouses near major ports, with relevant crews undergoing periodic training. Should tensions escalate or conflict erupt, the state can lawfully requisition or charter large fleets of suitable civilian container ships. Using pre-established interface standards, these modules can be rapidly integrated onto vessels like building blocks, spawning a vast, dispersed, shadow fleet, or firepower fleet within an extremely short time frame. While each vessel in this fleet may have limited survivability against specialized destroyers individually, their low detectability, low cost, sheer numbers, and the dozens of missiles carried by each ship would impose unprecedented pressure on the adversaries. Detect, identify, decide, strike chain. In pre-designated nearshore defense theaters, supported by shore-based aviation, early warning systems, and surface main battle fleets, these distributed firepower nodes can conduct concealed standby operations and saturation assaults. This strategy significantly depletes the enemy's costly interceptor munitions, disrupts their operational deployments, and creates decisive conditions for the main battle fleet. Reports from think tanks like the U.S. Naval Analysis Center have repeatedly highlighted that countering such low-cost, high-volume, high-threat, distributed platforms represents one of the core challenges facing future navies. As a living test platform, the Zhongda 79 vessel's configuration remains in dynamic evolution. Beyond its initial missile attack configuration, it has been observed testing other mission modules. For instance, photographs show its starboard side once accommodated an electromagnetic catapult track assembled from multiple military vehicle platforms. Though seemingly improvised, this modification demonstrates remarkable ingenuity, exploring the potential to integrate unmanned aerial operations capabilities onto medium-sized platforms. While deck length and space constraints preclude fixed-wing UAV recovery, catapulting small reconnaissance, surveillance, loitering munition drones could significantly extend a single vessel's or fleet's battlefield awareness and strike chain length. This enables a launch guide operations or swarm harassment attacks against adversaries. This flexible, one-platform, multiple missions capability embodies the essence of modular design. It indicates that the Zhongda 79 project's objective is not to standardize a specific ship class, but to validate a set of scalable, combinable, plug-and-play standards for maritime military capabilities. From a broader perspective, the emergence of the Zhongda 79 reflects China's strategic wisdom in addressing complex security environments, particularly safeguarding vital maritime lifelines. Non-traditional security threats to global strategic waterways demand asymmetric, rapidly deployable countermeasures. A legally authorized armed escort fleet based on converted merchant vessels can be swiftly deployed to crisis zones, safeguarding merchant fleets through visible presence and credible deterrence, a development of significant political and military implications. In essence, the Zhongda 79 has transcended the category of a mere, peculiarly modified vessel. It serves as a mobile platform for demonstrating maritime warfare concepts, a tangible model for deepening defense mobilization and military-civilian integration, and a potential influencer of future naval warfare rules. Its existence and evolution compel observers to redefine naval power. Future sea dominance may not solely belong to costly aircraft carriers and destroyers meticulously built over decades in shipyards, but equally to seemingly ordinary vessels emerging from civilian fleets that can instantly transform into distributed firepower nodes bristling with lethal capabilities. The story of the Zhongda 79 is one of transforming a nation's industrial heritage and technological prowess into tangible, agile, and formidable strategic capabilities through ingenious design. Its next voyage, regardless of the new modules it carries, will continue to provide a vivid footnote to this profoundly transformative era.